Here is our 10th story, The Scared Lion. Once there was a lion who was very scared of everything: water, wind, rain, other animals, even smaller creatures like mice and worms. Behave like a lion, his friends advised him, but he did not know how. He hated terrifying and eating smaller animals like his family members did. Then a wise old cheetah told him, "If you don't want to scare others, they don't. At least stop being afraid of everything. You can be a friend or counselor to others." From then on, the lion became a friend to other animals and ate vegetables and fruits with them. He was finally happy.